Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to get unbanned on WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp account has been banned, there are several ways to get unbanned. First step is wait it if you have been temporarily banned, and you can wait until the ban is lifted. During this time, review WhatsApp terms of the services and make sure you are not breaking any rules. And also guys, appeal the ban. If you think you have been wrongfully banned, you can appeal the WhatsApp support, and if it's permanent ban, you will need to appeal to WhatsApp and open the app where you will see a screen informing you to the ban. Click on the contact us and follow the instruction to submit your appeal. Number third, log out from and delete unofficial app that mimic WhatsApp. If you have been unofficial apps that mimic WhatsApp, log out from them and delete them. Also guys, you can get help from the WhatsApp. If you have been banned and need help, you can contact WhatsApp support for the assistance. So guys, to avoid getting banned in the future, make sure you follow WhatsApp terms of the services and only use the app for its intended purposes. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.